Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Toyota Camry. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a comprehensive socket set. Safely lift the front of your Camry and secure it on the jack stands. Next, remove the front wheel and carefully detach the brake caliper, hanging it securely to avoid stressing the brake line. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process. Now, let's focus on removing the old CV axle. Begin by loosening the large axle nut, usually a 30mm or 32mm socket size, located at the center of the hub. Next, separate the lower ball joint from the steering knuckle to allow enough play. Gently pull the entire axle shaft out of the transmission. Be ready with a drain pan, as some transmission fluid might escape during this step, even if partially drained. With the old axle removed, it's time to install the new CV axle. Carefully guide the splined end of the new axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats fully and securely. Reconnect the lower ball joint to the steering knuckle, securing it with its castle nut and cotter pin. Then, thread on the new axle nut and hand tighten it. You will fully torque this nut once the vehicle is back on the ground. For the final steps, reattach the brake caliper and secure it with its 2 bolts, typically torqued to 80 foot-pounds. Mount the wheel back onto the hub and lower the vehicle safely to the ground. Now, with the vehicle's weight on the wheels, torque the axle nut to the manufacturer's precise specification, often around 160 foot-pounds. Finally, check and refill your transmission fluid to the correct level, ensuring smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.